Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to promote Telegram channel. So first of all, download the Telegram and make sure that you update it to the latest version. If you did. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. Basically, you have you have four ways that you can actually pull this off. One of them is cross promotion. This is not an easy way to add new members to your channel, but it is the fastest way to strengthen your channel, right? And cross promotion, once you have a solid Telegram channel with at least 2,000 members, you can ask for a cross promotion with other small or average channels. So you need to have at least 2,000 so you can grow your own channel, right? Basically, and this is the first step. The second step to promote your Telegram channel is collaborate with other channels, engage with your audience, use relevant hashtags, and optimize your channel for search, and run contests or giveaways so you can attract more people to your channel. And make use of a cross promotion by collaborating with other Telegram channels or groups that have a similar target audience. Cross promotion allows you to tap into these kind of an audience. The third way is social media, of course. Use social media for your Telegram channel promotion, like share links to Quora, Facebook, Telegram, Reddit, whatever it might be, or even TikTok. Use your own communities and your own hashtags to bring it to your social media so you can target the audience that you want to bring them to your that you want to attract to your channel, sorry. And basically you can attract it by going to every different social media like TikTok and Instagram, because there is a different audience for your kind of a content. So the lastly, you can add Telegram link to your website. If you have a portfolio or if you have a personal website and you want to promote your own Telegram channel, use your website to link your Telegram channel to your portfolio or to your website, personal website. Add an advertising text with a link to your Telegram channel or website. Channel owner publishes the ad post. Post your Telegram channel in the website, and basically that will make it easier for a lot of people to actually go and have access to your channel. And basically you gonna have or you can attract the newest audience to your to your channel. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media. And thank you. And see you in the next one.